Good morning. I'm going to take you guys along with me, as well as my 15-month-old son who's strapped in his car seat, to North Oaks today to get our car seat safety check. This is a free service that North Oaks provides once a month to ensure that our car seats are up to code, not expired, installed in our cars correctly, and that we're aware of how to properly snap our kids in so that the safety features benefit them the best. Safety is huge all around, but it's a no-brainer for sure when it comes to the safety of my child in the car. We recently changed car seats. We went from the infant carrier that comes in and out of the vehicle to one of the car seats that stays in the vehicle and that grows with our child. It's a convertible seat. So when we did that, granted, we read the instruction manual really good. We think we did it right, but you always have that little tick in the back of your mind, like, am I really doing this right? To me, this seat seems really kind of big and bulky, and my son doesn't look comfortable in it. So I have all the questions. So if you're like me and you just really appreciate some peace of mind that everything is done properly, our kids are safe, and come along, let's go see what this is all about. When I called and made the appointment, the nice lady at scheduling told me to take the main entrance. The car seat fitting would take place at the Diagnostic Center, which is the first building on your right whenever you turn in at the main entrance. She said look for some orange cones and to pull right up in them, and that's where the check would take place. And there's our cones. Let's do it.
Seat's tightness, you want to check at the belt path where the belt goes through, grab it, and you want to shake side to side, forward, backwards, and make sure that you don't have more than an inch of movement. The shoulder strap is right just a tiny bit above his shoulder, almost at it. And for rear facing, we want that to be at his shoulder or below.
Okay. And when we flip it the other way, it goes a little bit higher?
When you do forward facing, yes,
Okay.
it's going to be at the shoulder or above.
Okay. And let's talk about tightness here. Because sometimes I'll strap him in and I'm like, ooh, that's really, really snug on him, but I want it to be snug.
So when you are testing for the tightness of the shoulder straps, what you want to do is do what's called a pinch test, where you grab and pinch right here, and you shouldn't have any excess material. We're going to slide the chest plate up to the baby's underarms, right there by the chest plate.
Awesome. Got those armpits, dude?
Oh, thank you. on a car seat, you want to make sure, for most car seat manufacturers, they don't want the car seat and the passenger seat in front of them to touch. And so typically you can do a slide, if you can slide a piece of paper through, you're good to go. So the seat shouldn't more than kiss.
Yeah, so if the seat is pushed back and the car seat is actually physically being pushed back, that's a huge no-no.
Right.
Awesome.